items or services that would help once we are creating invoice. For example, it will automatically pre-fill details. We need to go through settings, and there is items and services section, and this is where we can add items and services. So create new, for example, item, and adding price. We can also track inventory if we want. Click save. And likewise with adding product, we can also add services, for example, delivery. And let's say add $2.99. It's billable, and we can also say that this service need to be automatically added to new projects. If we are happy, click save. So this is a way how we can add new items and new services to make our life easier. Once we are issuing invoices, we'll be able to select these product items or services.